So can anybody tell me what safety is, or why would safety be important in tennis?
Because safety means someone's playing with something you didn't lock the door
That's okay.
You have to make sure that you don't hit anybody in the face, because those things hurt. You hit them in the face and make them nose bleed.
You're exactly right. So it would be important in tennis while we are doing tennis activities. Listen, while we are doing tennis stuff, it's important that you are safe. Okay? That way we don't hurt anybody or injure anybody, because rackets can be dangerous. Yep. So the next one is personal space. Can you explain that one?
Personal space means like if you have a and it's around you,
Yep. And remember, we just use our hula hoops, right? And that was our personal space, all right? So we're going to continue to do that throughout all of our tennis stuff. All right, what about corrective feedback? Does anybody think they know what that means?
What is that?
You think you know?
Feedback is like in the past.
Not quite. So corrective feedback is whenever somebody is doing a skill and maybe they do it wrong, all right? So then you correct them and tell them how they can do it right, all right? So in tennis, whenever we're doing tennis stuff, if I see you doing something wrong, okay, then I might give you corrective feedback and tell you how you could improve. All right, what about force? You think you know what force means? That could be an example of force, but what about intention? Oh, yeah. So you might create a force, for example, if you have the tennis racket, and you hit the ball, right, not going to hit it, but if you hit the ball, okay, you're creating a force. Alright? So what about accuracy? Does anybody remember what accuracy means? No. You remember Yeah. So one example, does everybody know what archery is?
No.
Like using a bow and arrow?
Oh,
You have a target. Okay, if you send the arrow right in the middle of the target, that means you have accuracy. Yeah. So why would that be important in tennis? You know?
So you can hit the ball.
Yep, so in tennis you have a tennis court, okay, and you have to be accurate and hit the ball inside the tennis court. That way you can score points, right? So what about stroke? Does anybody know? Somebody who hasn't answered yet. You haven't answered yet? Do you think you know what stroke means? Yep, so whenever you hit the tennis ball in tennis, that's called a stroke, okay? And what about rally? You know, Marcus? Yep, it's whenever you have one person on one side of the court, one person on the other, and you hit the ball back and forth, okay? So, now that we've gone over our vocab words, we're going to start our tennis stuff. So, I want everyone, when I say go, not yet, when I say go, I want you to grab a racket, a tennis ball, spread out around the gym, and put it down at your feet. So what are you going to do?
Grab the tennis ball in the racket and then put it down at your feet.
Spread out and put it down at your feet. Okay, you have a question? Hold on.
No, I was going to go when I was going to go with everybody.
So everybody grab a racket, tennis ball, spread out, and put it down at your feet. Very nice. Good job.
Why do you have that big ball?
personal space.
People who can't do this.
Do you want to use one of these balls?
Can I use one? It's tricky.
Yes.
I need a ball. Everyone just slide. Everybody wants one of these this bounce is way too wide.
Stay spread out. We're not having this one. You're not having this one. Round your racket. Round your racket. Mark it. Round your racket. Alright, can everybody see me? Okay? So, instead of your palm facing down, you're going to face it up, okay? Not yet. Not yet. Whenever I say go. Okay? And you are going to be tapping the ball up. And you are not trying to send the ball to the ceiling, okay? Keep it at eye level. Alright? See how many times that you can hit it in a row, okay? So ready, start. Make sure you're spread out and keep your personal space.
Where's the red ball? No one has any red ball. That's our rules. Shark is so good!
Very nice. Here, try this. So, try to bounce it off the ground. Don't hit it down. Just drop it with your hand. Just bounce it down with your hand. Lift it up. There you go. Spread out. Spread out. The ball should not be going over your head. Good job, Marcus. Well
We don't even stop doing this. This is hard. I want to get
Down.